Hey guys, welcome to Taste Buds. Today I'm going to make a chicken dish for you. I love all my chicken dishes, but this one comes under my top 10 category and it is curry leaf chicken. Curry leaf is the main ingredient of this dish along with the chicken. Curry leaf has a lot of benefits. It is packed with vitamin A, which is good for eyesight and is also rich in folic acid and iron. It also helps to fight diabetes and lower cholesterol. You have enough reasons now to try out this dish. So without any further ado, let's get on the preparation.
In a hot pan, add 6 tablespoons of oil. This recipe takes more oil, so 6 tablespoons should be sufficient. Now add the whole spices and fry them. I have taken 1 onion that is finely chopped. Keep frying the onions. Add some salt. The salt helps bring out the moisture out of the onions, so it will help in cooking a little bit faster. Now add some turmeric and mix it. And it's time for adding the ginger garlic paste. I always have coriander leaves added to my ginger garlic paste to give an extra flavor, but it's optional. So just go ahead with the regular ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons. And now add the main ingredient, chicken. I have used 3 lbs of chicken and I have used boneless because I'll be serving this as an appetizer.
While the chicken is cooking, let's work on roasting the spices for that curry leaf masala. So heat a pan and we have to roast all this on a very medium flame. So the pan is hot. I'm adding some cinnamon, cloves, and I have some cardamom.
Now add the fennel seeds and the cumin seeds. Based on the amount of chicken you're taking, you can change this measurements. Now add the coriander seeds and black pepper. Make sure you roast them slightly until you get that nice aroma out of the spices. And then you go ahead and add the curry leaves. I have taken 3 cups of curry leaves. You don't have to firmly pack the curry leaves inside the cup, so just take an approximate 3-cup measurement. Roast them until the leaves become dry and blend them into a fine powder. Check on the chicken. It's still cooking. I see a lot of water in it, but if you're making like a curry, you can just make use of that water. I'll be serving as an appetizer, so I'm getting rid of the water. I've added red chili powder. Mix it well. And now add the blended curry leaf spices powder. After a nice mix, cook it with the lid closed for around 5 minutes so that the masalas blend into the chicken. Give it a nice stir and then squeeze half lemon and your chicken is ready. This dish originates from South India and is a very popular dish. So please try it. I'm sure you're just gonna love it. Thank you for watching. I'll be back soon with another recipe. Bye-bye.